Alright, so Betty got a bath. She's looking a lot better. And the inside is nice and solid on the floor, so that's cool. Lots of work ahead of us, but we're doing it for the fun, so there's no timeline. Just a fun experience for us and all 4 kids. Something to do together and learn. Well, Gary's not going to have to learn. He already knows, but he's teaching the rest of us. So, lots of sanding in our future. She's still a beauty, though. And soon, we'll get the mysterious box of parts that comes with her, and we'll see what's in the box. That's going to be exciting.